In this video, I'm going to help you get started by creating your very own Google site. Now, typically you love the waffle over here on Google. Unfortunately, Sites is not really one of your options on the waffle, so it's a little weird to get into. What I would say is go to sites.google.com. Once you get to sites.google.com, it takes you to this really weird page. And don't press create, that's like a decoy. I want you to press down here where it says new Google Sites. Hit that link and then you'll get something that looks a lot more normal, much more googly, that you're googly that you're used to. Now, once you get here and you want to create your site, you have this big red plus button, create your brand new site, and he will pop up like so. Now, you of course want to give this a title, so you might just say like Mr. Reed's website. Of course there are themes. You can choose what you want what things to look like. You even have some color scheme options. So you can get as creative as you want. You can even upload your own headers and do whatever you like. So you have some fairly easy customization options. Now, what I would say is once you have kind of settled on your theme, you can change it later. As a teacher, I would probably have a home page that's kind of an about you or welcome to my home page. Then you probably want a page for each one of your courses that you teach. So if you teach Algebra 1, Advanced Algebra 2, General Geometry, whatever. So when you get to this point, over here on the right sidebar, you have Pages. You want to hit this Pages tab, and you have the little nice plus button down here. I really like the user interface on this. You could say maybe I have an Algebra 1 page. Then just keep pressing it. You're going to have a Geometry page. And you can just organize them in any way that you like. Maybe you teach AP Stats. And the great thing about Google Sites is it will automatically add kind of navigation for you. You don't have to do any like HTML code, insert hyperlinks. It will add that navigation. Now what I will say is I prefer the navigation to be over on the left instead of up here at the top. So if you kind of hover up here, then you will see this gear over here on the left. Once you hit the gear, you can choose this, switch this to be side navigation, which will give you more of a sidebar, which is easy. Anytime you want to take a look at what you've got, the preview eyeball is staring at you, and then you can just take a look at what it looks like in preview mode. You can even see what it would look like on a tablet or on a phone, and then you can click the X to go back. That's the basic setup. In the next video, I'll help you come in and do some different options for posting maybe your assignments or announcements for your classes.